Are NFTs something serious or are they good for long-term investment? These days, NFTs are a pretty big deal. The value of trading in NFTs increased significantly from just 100 million in 2020 to about 22 billion in 2021. Additionally, the demand for non-fungible tokens is rising quickly. Anyone investing in a long-term plan for holding and selling tokens has an opportunity to benefit if they get started now, especially if the demand for NFTs keeps increasing at this rate in the years to come. NFTs are getting more expensive, but their value in the long run might be much higher. For instance, the most valuable NFT in the world, PAC, sold for about $91.8 million, but analysts believe its current value is more like $356 million. The question is, are NFTs something serious, or are they good for long-term investing? Before we begin, welcome to Invested Knowledge. Knowledge is power, so make sure to subscribe to this channel for up-to-date essential knowledge to become more successful in life and in business. Let's start with the basics. What are NFTs and how do they work? NFTs are non-fungible tokens. Fungibility refers to similar assets that can be traded interchangeably. For example, Bitcoins are fungible in the sense that users can exchange one Bitcoin for another and receive the same asset. Because NFTs are non-fungible, each token is one of a kind and cannot be replicated. Because of this distinguishing feature, NFTs are represented as unique information on a blockchain, ensuring digital ownership integrity. Because its existence is time-stamped on the blockchain, this record of original ownership cannot be changed. Each NFT denotes a physical or digital asset. Apart from art, this can include anything from intellectual property to a title of ownership to an asset. NFTs are information pieces on a blockchain that are represented in an interactive format with visual representation. When it comes to ownership rights, if you buy an NFT early on, that asset is limited and only available through you. Experts believe that scarcity is what allows the NFT's value to rise over time. SNFTs are powered by smart contracts. Smart contracts, in particular, are the function that manages the transferability of NFTs. Why would anyone buy an NFT? Why would anyone pay for content that in many cases can be downloaded? This is typically one of the most frequently asked questions about NFTs. Owning the original supported by NFT technology differs from simply downloading an NFT image and storing it on your computer or mobile device. While the NFT-supported image is an original work of art by an artist, the image or video you download has no monetary or financial value. The image and any copies or replicas will never be worth even close to the verified original. Just as you can go online and download the Mona Lisa image or even purchase a Mona Lisa poster. Even if you download an image 1,000 times, it won't matter because you don't have the NFT-linked copy, which attests to your ownership of the original piece of art. For those who want to participate in esports events and display their admiration for players and talents outside of purchasing merchandise, there are options like the WePlay Collectibles. The WePlay Collectibles is a component of a platform where you can purchase both digital and physical goods using NFT technology. There are prizes and memorabilia connected to a particular competition. Can you make money with NFTs? The answer is yes. Blockchain technology and non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, provide a unique opportunity for digital artists and content creators to monetize their digital creations and digital products. The fact that an artist or content creator who creates his artwork on the blockchain does not require an art gallery, store, or museum is what makes NFT art so spectacular. He also doesn't require an agent or a large number of social media followers to make money. The other difference is that the artist's copyrights are protected, and he's entitled to compensation, typically in the range of 5 to 10% of royalties, when his work is resold on the secondary market. Finally, Ethereum has a market value of over $420 billion and is the second largest cryptocurrency. Selling a digital work of art today for 1 ETH, which is worth approximately USD $1,109.13, may become more valuable in the future if 1 ETH rises to USD $10,000. NFT artwork can be viewed as both a short-term and a long-term investment. So what is the best NFT to invest in? Investing in non-fungible tokens or NFTs is a personal decision. If you have money to, especially if a piece of art is significant to you, or you're just looking to support an artist financially, it's worth taking into account NFT art, music, sports, DeFi, crypto collectibles, gaming items, virtual worlds, or the metaverses. It's somewhat less risky to invest in crypto art if you think it has value. For you know that the digital piece is authentic. You know who made it, you can trace the ownership, and you know whether it's an edition or not. However, when purchasing an NFT, you as an art buyer or investor will need to consider all of these issues. And keep in mind that an NFT artwork's intrinsic value is typically determined by how much someone else is willing to pay for it. Demand rather than fundamental technical, economic indicators, as well as the internal and external environments of a company, typically affect stock prices and, on the other hand, serve as the foundation for demand from potential investors, determining the resale price of NFT art. Having said that, treat investing in crypto collectibles the same way you would any other traditional investment. Do your homework. Understand the NFT market. Be aware of the risks, including the possibility of losing all of your money. And if you decide to take a chance, do so with great caution. Because you're worried about missing out on a chance, or because your neighbor is investing in or collecting crypto punks or crypto kitties, it's not a good idea to invest in NFTs or crypto assets. If you take into account the following possibilities, investing in NFTs only makes sense if you are fully aware of the conventional art market. You already possess a collection, whether it be of historical artifacts, sports trading cards, or stickers. You're thinking about making a long-term investment rather than trying to make quick cash, become wealthy overnight, or build wealth in this developing market. However, if you believe that NFTs are the way of the future because they democratize access to art ownership, they make good investments. For those with less money to invest in digital pieces, crypto art or NFT art offers a better option. Since the invention of the internet, digital art ownership has proven to be a revolution. To prove intellectual ownership, safeguard copyrights, and provide direct access to royalties, NFTs provide a secure way to create, store, buy, sell, collect, and trade digital assets. Here are some commonly used NFTs. Crypto kitties. These were the first NFTs to gain widespread attention by selling for hundreds of thousands. They're like Beanie Babies, but on a blockchain. Decentraland, a virtual world that uses mana as its currency, allowing users to purchase land which they can build upon. Axie Infinity. These are digital pets that can battle, breed, and level up. They're all unique in their own way. Counter-Strike Global Offensive Skins. This is a game where players who purchase skins trade them on the market or keep them to change the appearance of guns. Ethereum Name Service Domains. These are the only ETH domain names available, and they're all unique. Golem Network Token. This can be used to purchase computing power on the blockchain. OMICE Go, or OMG. OMG is a cryptocurrency that users can keep or swap for other cryptocurrencies. Ethereum Movie Venture Tokens. These are used to invest in movies and receive a share of the profit. Now let's talk about the most important question. Are NFTs suitable for long-term investments? But before we go any further, we should note that this article isn't investment advice. It's an insight into my personal experiences and thoughts on the NFT market. We've been experimenting with NFTs recently, and we've seen plenty of evidence of their value. However, we are aware of a great deal of misinformation and confusion in the marketplace. There are still those who don't believe NFTs have any value. They believe NFTs are just pictures that they can click on and save online, owing to a lack of information about what an NFT is and how it works. Of course, you could argue that many people reacted similarly to the concept of cryptocurrency. And look where we are today, with things like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The fact that we're at a tipping point in digital transformation makes NFTs such a valuable investment right now. We're on the cusp of concepts such as the decentralized web and Web 3.0, in which NFTs will become an increasingly important concept in how we invest. Numerous changes on the horizon could significantly boost the value and demand for non-fungible tokens. This means that if you can get involved now, you'll have a lot of room to grow. Early-stage NFT investors today may be similar to the first Bitcoin investors. Final verdict? As you can see, NFTs are a worthwhile long-term investment to think about. Even if the markets crash, NFTs are immune because they are their own separate entity with applications in a variety of industries. Keep up with the latest news and trends to get the most out of your investment. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope all the shared information will be helpful for you all. And if you have any questions or doubts, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like and turn the notification bell on for more informative content.